How you guys doing? This is Derek with Dellin Woodworking, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Walabot DIY 2M stud finder. So you've seen at the beginning of this video, I demonstrated what happens when you put a screw through a pipe that has water pressure through it. So if you're hanging a picture and your crappy old stud finder reads that there's something there, and you put a screw into it, it could have been a PVC drain pipe. You don't know, it could have been a pipe like this. Who knows? It just read something was back there. It's not actually telling you what it is. Where this right here will actually tell you whether it's a pipe wire or it's a metal or wood stud. It can shoot through an inch of material, whether that's OSB, plywood, or drywall, and it'll read up to 4 inches inside of the wall. And that is another thing, it works on both Android and iOS. This is MagSafe, so it will connect to my iPhone. Your phone does not have to be connected. It could be sitting right here on the table, and I could be running through and you'd be able to see what's in the wall over there on your phone screen. Now let's go over everything that the bundle comes with. It comes with obviously the Walabot DIY 2M unit itself. It comes with this soft bag. It comes with the magnet kit that we just went over, which is this right here. And then it comes with this soft pouch, which is pretty nice that you can store the unit in. Comes with a charging cable, directions, and all of that. So I'm excited to show you what this thing can do. Start scan. So start scan. We're gonna start all the way over here. So we got nothing right here. Then this hits a dead wire because there's nothing through it. We hit a metal stud. It actually tells you where center is on the metal stud as well. Then we hit a wood stud. Tells you same thing. Tells you when you hit center. You're gonna hit a copper pipe here. And hit a PEX pipe here. Right here we got another wood stud, and then we hit a PVC pipe right here. So you can see how it reads absolutely everything inside of this wall pretty accurately, which honestly still blows my mind. And then if you were to trace something, hit this pipe here, trace down. If I start getting off of it, it goes off of it, move it over, I hit it again. So it's that accurate when tracing it. And then like I said before, I can detach this thing, put this thing on the wall, pipe, stud. I highly recommend going and checking out their site and picking up one of these things.